Let's start with a basic question, right? Who is a customer, right? Like I said, customer is not just the end customer. Obviously, there's an end customer, right, who will actually use your product, right? But if you're an engineer in an organization, anybody who you're interacting with and who you have to deliver something is your customer, right? And obviously, at the end of it, it goes to an external customer, right? So that's what you need to remember, right? It's not only the marketing guys that deal with the customer. Even as an engineer, you always have a customer who you're delivering it to, right? So keep that in mind, right? So that, you know, it's not that, hey, what is the relevance of this survey? In engineering, why do I need to care about marketing and customer? Because ultimately everybody has a customer, right? If you don't have a customer, then what are you working for? You can't be working in isolation. You deliver that to somebody, right? And that guy is a customer, and that guy has some expectations. So you need to understand what his expectations are and how you want to interact with them, how you want to deliver to them.